Listen up. For 20 years, Google dominated the search engines. If you wanted free traffic, getting found online meant one thing: rank on Google. They had a monopoly. But that reign is over, because now, when someone searches, Google answers them right there in a box above the search results. No more scrolling, no more deep search. Today, nearly a quarter of all searches has left Google. People just ask AI. So if your content only ranks, you're invisible in both places. Here's the number that should scare you. Out of 14 billion web pages, 96% get zero traffic from Google. Free traffic was never easy. For years, the only way in was learning search ranking. Keywords, backlinks, endless posts, 6-month waits. Most people never cracked it. Now, you have to win 3 ways at once: show up in the search results, get picked as the answer at the top, and get named by the AI when people ask it. To do all that by hand, you'd need to be a search expert, an AI expert, a writer, and a video editor. And one post the old way eats 3.5 hours. Every day on every post. Impossible for one person. But what if it wasn't your job anymore? What if you typed in one keyword, and an engine wrote your content, created your images, and even generated a video for you? Then it publishes itself on its own while you sleep. All of it done for you to get you free traffic with SEO, AEO, and GEO. It even watches which keywords are ranking for traffic and rewrites the content that isn't. Your traffic constantly grows instead of dying after the next Google update. Stay with me, because that's exactly why we built TrafficGenie. Just for you. The automated content engine that gets you free traffic from Google and from ChatGPT and the other AI tools everyone's asking today. You don't need search skills. You don't need to write. You don't need to touch a line of code. You type in one keyword. The machine does the whole job. Let me show you how easy this is. Step 1. You type in a keyword. The engine writes full, real-sounding content, creates the images, and builds a video. All of it done for you to get found, quoted, and cited to get traffic. Step 2. It goes live in seconds and then runs itself on autopilot, publishing fresh posts day after day while you sleep. Step 3. It tracks what wins and rewrites what loses. It drops your product links in automatically. And it turns that traffic into clicks, leads, and sales. If you can order a pizza online, you can run this. And here's how it turns into money. Every post can carry your own product links or affiliate links so that traffic pays you back in earnings. And this isn't a guess. The method is already proven, and that points at the one thing that matters. Every post published is another door people can walk through to find you. One that ranks, one that gets picked as the answer, one that the AI quotes. So the more answer-ready posts you have live, the more ways there are to get found. And the traffic just keeps on piling up for free without spending a dime on ads. It's the most qualified traffic you will ever get. Publish answer-ready content, and the traffic and income follow. It's not a secret anymore. The only reason almost nobody pulled it off is because no human can write and publish that much without burning out. TrafficGenie does it for you, hands-free. Now here's where it gets good. Every tool that does just a slice of this charges you every month forever. The search tool, the AI writer, the scheduler, $50, $100, $200 a month, each one. And if you hire, one blog post from a writer runs $375 to $600. 30 posts a month and you're staring at a second mortgage. TrafficGenie is all of it, in one engine, for one payment, one time. No subscription, no monthly fees. You pay once and it's yours. Even one lead from one post covers it. And this is a launch price, the lowest it will ever be. The shift to AI answers is still early. Show up in it before your niche gets crowded. That's your advantage. And listen, there's zero risk. Get TrafficGenie today, let it build your site, and use it for a full 30 days. If it's not everything you hoped, email us and we'll refund every cent. No questions asked. And anything it's already built stays yours to keep. So you've got two options. Close this page, keep doing it by hand, and keep watching the traffic go to the people who tooled up for the new game. Or let an automated content machine do the whole job and wake up to notifications instead of another 100-hour month. You type in one keyword. It writes, it publishes, it earns. Hands-free. Click the button below and get TrafficGenie now.